Good morning students and welcome back to the class. Today I will explain you Unit 8 Power of Encouragement. What is the meaning of encouragement? Encouragement is an act of hope or support to someone. In this story, Les Brown, who was when he was a boy and he was in class 9th, he was considered as a dull student, and as he often failed in the examination. One day new teacher came to the class and he said, please write something on the board. But Les Brown was trembling with fear and he said, I am the least talented student of this school. But later teacher explained, greatness lies within you. If you can imagine good that can be done to this world through you, this world will become a different place and your parents will also be proud of you. So those words inspired Les Brown and he worked hard and went on to become a band leader and music composer. And Les Brown and his band, the band of renown, performed with the Bob Hope, another personality, on radio, stage, television for almost 50 years, and they entertained over 3 million people. Next, Claire Gillian has said, encouragement from any source is like a drop of rain upon a parched desert. Now parched means dried, where excessive heat is there. It means if any source of encouragement is there, you can do a lot. Everyone has an inner desire for love and respect and appreciation. So word of encouragement makes a life beautiful, and if there is no love, no appreciation, we feel a deep emptiness within us. Carl Jung was one of the greatest psychologists ever lived in the world. He pointed out that one of the basic desires of the man is to feel secure. So words of encouragement protect us from despair. So it makes us feel that we are capable of doing something great in life. Next, always remember that your present situation is not your final destination. The best is yet to come. You can see one tree, stem is cut, and still in the center you can see one new sprout has come. So this shows that the best is yet to come. Next is the Walter Scott. You can see this personality. He had infantile paralysis at the age of 2. Infantile means childish paralysis. And his grandmother told him stories from the history. And these stories encouraged him to do something special in life, and he used to write the poetry, and he was very good in poetry. One day Scott met Robert Burns, a great Scottish poet. And the poet was recollecting the name of the poet whose lines were quoted on the painting. And Scott named the poet and recited the whole poem from the memory. And Robert Burns became happy and he said, you will be a great man in Scotland someday. Scott wanted a word of sport and he got it from the greatest Scottish poet of his time, and he went to become a great poet and novelist. So now question answers you have to do. There are 3 questions and you have to write only in 2-3 sentences. Like what is the importance of love, respect and appreciation in your life, that you know if you get all these things, you will have positive attitude, you will work hard, you will achieve your goals. So some points you can take from the book. What are the advantages of the encouragements? Number of advantages we have discussed in the chapter. You can write in your own words. And next, along with this one, I just want to assign you activity 8, that is given at the back, page number 55. Effective communication. Now, diagram is given in the book, and you have to explain this process of communication, how you can communicate with other person in effective way. So, diagram is given, just you read this one and write in your words in your notebook. Another activity is activity 9, and this is related with the stress performance connection. Now, this picture indicates the negative and positive aspects of the stress. So, how do you understand these aspects? It is given in the picture: low, medium, high, and then you write on the space given on the book and also in the notebook. Next activity is the activity 10, coping with the emotions, your feelings. Emotions. Now some questions are given. What makes you mad? Next question is, name a time you felt afraid. Next, what makes you happy? Name a time you felt sad. So these are your emotions which you have to write yourself in your words. Thanks.